Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create your one photo to become a video and it will be transformed with the Minecraft animation. How could that possible? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do is install this Pixverse from the Play Store or the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS. And since I'm using the Android phone over here, I have installed it and I will go to this application, and also don't forget to do the login first. So this application will give you several credits to do some creation over here. And this is the look of the home page, and these are the templates that you can select to create the animation. And since we would like to create our photo to become let's say the Minecraft something, then we will go to this search option. Then I will choose the pixel world. So basically this template will help you to create the photo to become every character of people in that photo to become the character animation of the, let's say, the Minecraft that shows you the pixel world. So we will use this template and it will direct you into the gallery. Then I will select this picture, and as you can see here, this template will need 20 credits over here, and since we have 40 credits left, then it will be enough. So I will continue to create it and let this application take this time to generate the action. And this is the up here was an notification that inform you that this application is still on process, and this is the information that your video is ready. Then I will go to this notification and let's see the result. Okay, is that interesting, right? So don't forget to try it by yourself into your device, and if you would like to download it, then you can just push this button. Or if you would like to create this to become the HD quality, then it will need you the 50 credits over here, and you can upscale it. And I think it's need to purchase some credit over here or upgrade the version of this Pixverse. So that's all from me, guys. Don't forget to try it, and if you have any requests or feedback, don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.